In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google and passwords. Now just tap on one of your saved passwords that you wish to edit, in my case my Google Drive one, and enter your current login method. Then, after selecting Edit button, make your changes. Lastly, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!